Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Wednesday, January 28th. So, what's going on today news-wise from forexfactory.com? You can see at 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. Now that always moves crude oil. It really doesn't do much to anything else. It's a yellow item, which is why it's a yellow. Only affects crude oil. 2 p.m. What do we got going on? Federal funds rate, FOMC statement at 2:30, the FOMC press conference. So all red items from 2 to 2:30 on. Whether the Fed is going to raise or lower interest rates, it's widely expected for them to do nothing, to leave rates alone. But of course, the Fed could lower, which would surprise the market and would go up dramatically. It could also raise rates, which is unlikely, but they could, in which case the Fed or the market would then go down substantially. So everybody will be watching very, very carefully what the Fed is going to do. Looking at charts, looking at the daily chart, we poked through all-time highs. We closed at all-time highs. This is the sixth day up. Remember, I love to talk about how the market loves threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. So what I mean by that is the market loves to have those sequences: 3 days up, 5 days up, 7 days up. You get the idea. Today would be, if we had an up day, would be the seventh day in a row. What does that mean? It means the eighth day is a high probability to probably be down. It is what it is. So we are in nosebleed area. Where could we go? I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe 70-70, which is the where this trend line is going. Downside, maybe 69-72. But yeah, we are technically still sideways, but it is starting to look like a breakout. However, let's look at the volume. Wow, look at that crap volume. So this is very disheartening. This makes me feel very, very insecure about going long when there's no volume to confirm the move. So that must be said. And so for every bull out there, that is the one thing that is not good. Looking at the inventory, positive price action yesterday, positive inventory. Those are correlated. That's the way it's supposed to be. And this would argue that we could probably continue to go up. We'll just have to obviously don't know, right? Get our magic 8 ball out. Overnight action, approximately 34 points. 34 points is above average. Average is 22 to 25. Again, you can see that up above here, the purple lines are a Fibonacci extension. So we have no resistance lines above because we're at all-time highs. So it's kind of a guesstimate, best guesstimate. So resistance 70.42, 70.67. I would say the whole number is 7,100. You got to go way up 71.30 before you can get anything. Support, on the other hand, we have support at 70.12. I'm going to say call that 70.10-ish. Of course, 7,000, the whole number. 69.90, 69.80, and there's decent levels on the bottom side. So 69.71, 69.64, 69.50. Yeah, there's plenty of support on the bottom side. The Stock Traders Almanac is actually negative today. 42.9% chance the market will be up. That gives us basically a 57.1% chance the market will be down. That's from the Stock Traders Almanac. It is what it is. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. And remember to subscribe and like. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.